Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a fork revalve on a set of 2021 Honda CRF450R Works Edition forks. These forks were revalved to the JBI suspension Pro Fork Revalve setting. That is our standard revalve, along with additional hardware upgrades that go inside of the forks. Details of each of these hardware upgrade parts can be found at Ride JBI. It tells you exactly what they are, how they work, and what you should expect from your forks once installed. This kit is also sold as a do-it-yourself install kit, where you can purchase it from us. We'll build it to the exact settings we would give to you if you sent your suspension in to Ride JBI headquarters. So that way you can save some time on shipping and have somebody install it for you locally. The feedback on this setup has been very positive. You can follow our development process on YouTube, and also feedback from the various riders that we have worked with and been able to get in front of the camera so far. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.